Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. In this video we will see how to install latest version of Python in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First search for Python on your favorite browser. So I am using the Chrome browser to install Python. Now open the official website to download Python, that is www.python.org. So click on that website. Now here go to downloads option to download. Now here you can see the latest version of Python is 3.12. So click on this button, download Python button. Now downloading will start automatically. So you can see our downloading is completed. Let's open it into folder. To install it in your system, double click on this exe file. Now here select the add.ext Python path, which will add your path in environment variable. Now click on customize installation. Now here we have to select all the checkbox, then click on next. Now here select the first checkbox and keep uh, all as it is. Now this is the path where your Python will be stored, so you can change this path by clicking the browse button. So I am just keeping same. Now click on install. Then it will ask you to allow this installation in your system, so click on yes. Let's wait till installation is complete. Now click on close and open your command prompt. Open this, go to search and type for cmd, then type python space hyphen hyphen version to check Python is installed or not. Click enter. So you can see our Python 3.12.1 is installed. So let's run a simple code. For that, just first type py and click enter. Now you will enter in Python environment. Now let's print something. To print, type print double quote technical tutorials double quote complete bracket complete, and just click on enter. So you can see our print message is printed. Now to use the IDE, for that search for Python, and you can see ideal 3.12.12 open. So when you open that IDE, it will give you the shell command prompt. Now let's print something. So type print in bracket message. Let's type hello world. So you can see our message is printed. So in this way you can install Python 3.12 in Windows 11 operating system.